Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MRO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, quite the roller coaster on this one, like many of the oil stocks. So want to get some things mapped out here, as this one's got an interesting setup here. And the setup, in my mind at least, all revolves around the fact that despite the up and down, the bulls have been slowly but surely working the price higher and higher. And the best way to just visualize that, which is why I love charts, is instead of just saying working itself higher and higher, I mean, what does that really mean? You can visualize it with this trend line right here to show that despite the ups and downs and big swings, since essentially back here on March 9th, the price has slowly but surely been pushing the price higher and higher via that trend line. So that is definitely going to be a very important level of support to watch going forward, is going to be that trend line. If the price goes down there and violates that, well, then at that point in time, things are looking a whole lot shakier. And the next level of support, to which I would definitely call a must-hold level of support, sits down here at 365. 365 being very, very important, because if the price were to come down to 365, not only would that imply that that trend line's already been broken, and then that level's been broken, but at that point, that would be starting to put the price right back to where it was at its lows. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where it was, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. So that is why those are going to be, in my mind, the two very important levels of support going forward. As far as levels of resistance, pretty cut and dry right now, especially after today's movement, where we got more confirmation that this level up here, for whatever reason, sort of a random area, but right up here at $4.50 is going to be the initial level that really needs to be broken. So you go back here, you can see presented a problem from last week, and you fast forward to today, and once again, the price is struggling around that area. So it's not saying 450 can't be broken, but very clearly that's going to be public enemy number one going forward. So let's see if the price can maintain above that trend line and make another go up here at 450. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.